with a breath of rot, a kingdom of decay, a forgotten spot. The mushrooms stand like pallid guards in bio-luminescent yards. The ground does breathe a sucking mire, a test of one's resolve and fire. In the fecund gloom, where the vapors weep and the lichen crawls in a corrosive creep, we wade through the slime for the Croppa's gleam and the Jadiz light in a poison dream, a truly awful, wretched place with a fungal beauty and a deadly grace. Watch the spores in their silent bloom, a pollen of death in the semi-gloom. One careless step, a gaseous sigh, and under this foul sky you'll die. Vines they clutch with a bony hand across this blasphemed land. In the fecund gloom, where the vapors weep and the lichen crawls in a corrosive creep, we slime for the Croppa's gleam and the Jadiz light in a poison dream, a truly awful, wretched place with a fungal beauty and a deadly grace. Management's sorry, but the pay is right to stand in the belly of the endless night, where life and death are intertwined, a waking nightmare for the miner's mind. Fecund gloom, sucking deep, where only the wretched and the greedy sleep. Rock and stone.